madness.
Hello and welcome to Tuhin's editing. In this video I'm going to show you how you can reverse a footage in Adobe Premiere Pro. So you can see we have a gaming clip here that is going on the normal speed and normal direction. So I'm going to make it a reverse video. To do that, I'll select the clip and right click on it and go to the speed duration option, and you will see there is a reverse speed option. Tick that, press OK, and that's it. You will see the video is reversed. So this is how you can easily reverse your video in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching.